So, your little one has hiccups? Don't worry, it's super common for newborns. First, try to calm them down with gentle rocking. A soothing voice can work wonders too. If that doesn't help, consider a little feeding break. Sometimes a burp can do the trick. You can also try holding them upright for a bit. If hiccups persist, a pacifier might help soothe them. Remember, it's usually nothing to stress about. Just keep an eye on them and stay calm, okay?